Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about physical science, about examination part of it. So this 2023, they made a lot of changes in the question paper. So we are going to discuss how can we get 10 by 10 very easily. If you are aware about that pattern and the blueprint of that one, you can get very easily, you can study very easily. So let us discuss now. In the question paper, physical science and biological science, both they are going to conduct in a single day. Physical science exam, it is 1 hour 35 minutes. In the two sections are there. In the section A, they are going to give 3 bits. First is very short answer. Very short questions. So in that 3 questions they are going to give, you should write 3 questions. At least for each question you should write 3 to 4 sentences should write to get 2 marks. So 3 twos are 6. Next second bit, short answers. These are also 3 questions they are going to give. Each question carries 4 marks. It is 12 marks total. You should write 5 to 6 sentences should write for each question. Remember, it is very important because that is the 4 marks. And also next third bit, long answer, essay type questions, long answers. So these they are going to give 3. Out of 3, just you have to write only 2 questions. Choice is there. And also each question carries 6 marks. You may get 12 marks total. For this, you may write 8 to 10 sentences. It is very, very important. And fourth bit is objective. You may get 10 objective bits are there. Each one has 1 mark, total 10 marks, total 40 marks. Yes, now we are going to discuss about physical science based on academic standards. The question paper, they are going to prepare based on academic standards. So those also very easy. Just if you go on through this one, you can get 10 by 10 very easily from physical science. Same like biological science, you may get the science 10 by 10. Yes. Now, first one is understanding, conceptual understanding. From this, we can get 18 marks. So from this we can expect a long question and also short question. Maybe remaining we can get objective questions. This is our just expectation. It is not exactly. So here they are going to ask differences, comparisons, explain why the sky appears blue in color, why the sun appears red during morning and evening, explain the characteristics of image formed by a convex lens, and also they may include problems also in this conceptual understanding about resistances, resultant resistance, resultant current. So they may include that one. Write the differences between virtual image and real image, and calcination and roasting, and also write the differences between esterification and also saponification. Explain about the cleansing action of soap. Like this, explain hybridations, sp2, sp3, like that. They are going to ask this type of questions. But very important questions we may expect from hybridation. At least remember sp, sp2, sp3. At least one example each one. And also about vision defects, we may expect a long question. It is very, very important. Don't confuse with myopia and hypermetropia. Then about the characteristics of ray diagrams. So these are some important topics from conceptual understanding. Okay, the next one is making hypothesis, asking questions and making hypothesis. In physical science, they are not going to give any making questions, asking questions, nothing. Simple, we are going with only making hypothesis. That means what will happen if we use concave mirror as a rear view mirror. What will happen? If you fuse wire is prepared with other material, what will happen? If there is no scattering, what would happen? So like this. So it is very important to get 10 by 10. At least one question for 2 marks we can expect. Like this. Hypothesis. Just you have to imagine and write. It is very, very important, this question. So third one is AS3, Academic Standard 3 is experimentation and it is very, very important. Experimentation. Very easy also. This topic is very easy. Everybody remember, this topic you can get 9 marks very easily. One is long question and we may expect 2 marks question. Otherwise, even sometimes 4 marks. Very simple. We have only limited experiments are there. From that you may get compulsory question. Main question from electricity. Verification of Ohm's law is there. And also resistance factors, nature, length, area of cross section, temperature. Based on that one. Next, lens mirrors, focal length. Just simple see the focal length. Along with that, types of images formed by lenses or mirrors. And the next, acids and bases, you may get experiment. So these are the main experiments are there. From this, you can get question 100%, you can get the 9 marks. If you go through properly about these experiments. While you are reading the experiments, don't quantify anything. Just imagine, just think what you are taking apparatus, how you are doing the experiment. Some are writing apparatus, they are taking something. It is not related to procedure. Observations are different. Just quantify. Don't go through that one. They may ask, at least apparatus they are asking. Write the apparatus for Oersted experiment. State current carrying conductor experiment. So, even some experiments they are asking observations also. Write these observations, this experiment observation. So it is very, very, very important. Go through that one. Very easy. Everybody can get 9 marks. Very easy. Next. AS4. Academic Standard 4. Project and field investigation information skills. This is case study questions. They are going to give you the question. They are going to give the script on matter and they are going to ask you the questions. Simple questions are there. Answers you can get in that one. Table questions. In that 4 or 6 questions they are going to give. We can expect here 4 marks question. Very, very, very simple, very easy. I think mainly coming from chemistry, structure of atom or periodic table mainly. In periodic table mainly, they are going to give electron configurations, 4 or 6 elements they are going to give. Which elements are same group, which elements are same period, which has same metal or non-metal. So like that they are going to ask. So see, periodic table is very important for the AS for this project skills. And also acids and bases. They are going to give you some pH values. A, B, C, D, E, F. Like pH values they are going to give A, B, C, D, E. This pH value is 2, 5, 7, 8 and also 14. So they are going to ask you which is strong base, which is strong acid. You can guess it, very simple. But they are going to ask you difficulty if A and D, when A and D react, what will happen? Which type of salt can form? Actually, this is acid, this is base. If acid base combined can give salt and water, which type of salt that is? Don't say simple salt. Is it acidic salt or basic salt? Yeah, it is, because it is a strong acid. So, acidic salt. If strong base, acidic base, basic salt. In the same sense, if both are strong, it may complete neutral salt will come. If both are strong. So, in this way, they are going to ask you 4 marks question. It is also, you can write very easily. It is also very simple. Next one is, next skill is AS5, drawing. Everybody confusing with mirrors and lenses diagrams. Mostly they are going to ask you this in this examination from lenses or mirrors. We can expect a 6 marks question. We can expect, because total 7 marks weightage is there. Very, very easy. 6 marks or 4 marks question compulsory. Some questions, complete the radiogram. Complete the radiogram. Everybody is confusing with the concave lens and convex lens. For example, this is a focus, this is the center of curvature 1, it is 2, it is also 2. If it is like that, they are giving the ray like this is going. Just imagine. Don't modify. Concave lens is a diverging lens. Simple. That means this ray never go in a straight line. It has to diverge from principal axis, so that it may go like this. Diverging. This may not pass through the focus. May not. Because it is not parallel line. It should go like this. We have to extend back. So this is a complete diagram. We have to draw again one more line which is parallel to this one, like this. These both coincide on the principal for plane, focus plane on this. Very simple. So just concentrate on complete the radiograms. You may get one question. Complete the radiograms, otherwise complete 6 marks radiograms. Just mirrors and lenses lesson main. Apart from that, you may get draw the DC motor diagram, draw the AC generator diagram. Otherwise, from acids and bases, they may ask draw the experimental setup for the acids react with the metals, zinc plus HCl. So the question also very, very important. Even experiment they are going to ask you, even diagrams, very, very important. Very simple also. Everybody can get this one also. 1, 2, 3. Very, very easy. And the next one is, last one, A6, academic standard 6 as well as academic standard 7 also. Both are related to say appreciation and biodiversity and also uses and daily life applications. Mainly uses. Everybody. It is very, very easy to you. Very, very easy in this pattern. Uses. Simple. Mirror uses, lenses uses. And what is the use of fuse in household circuits? And what are the applications of Faraday? What is the use of slip rings and split rings? What is the use of electric motor? What is the use of esters and also acetic acid and ethyl alcohol? What is the uses those are? Gasoline, rectified spirit, it is very important. Uses very easy. Everybody, this is simple. So very easy. Once again, I am going to explain. Everybody has to read this uses. Write some uses on paper. Lenses, mirrors, especially bleaching powder, washing soda, plaster Paris, and then esters, ethanol, ethanoic acid, then also diamond graphite nanotubes and C60 Buckminster fullerene. These uses. What is the use of fuse? So these things you should, if you write, you can get easily these marks. Everybody remember. So next, drawing also very simple. Drawing just concentrate, you may get it. This 6 marks and this drawing is 7 marks. And also experiment also very easy only. 9 marks. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 6, 22 marks. If you have this one also, 22 is minimum. Minimum you can get 22. Okay, objective 10 marks are there. If you add objective, you can get 32. Without going textbook thoroughly. Simple, only diagrams, application, uses and experiments. You can get almost 22 marks. It is very easy. So go through this and you can get perfect. We are going to upload one more video of expected model question paper based on this academic standards. So wish you all the best. This is Chandramouli, Odela. So Pragna Academy from Varangal. So within shortly we are going to post model question paper. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Thank you.